A week or two ago, I gave you all a free 100% accurate trade on Tesla stock and said it could be extrapolated market-wide with such implications. Well, today, because I am so generous and know exactly what I am talking about, with no other comparable in terms of accuracy across all social media, I have another 100% accurate trade worth millions which I will give out for free that has huge implications for the market that I will let you all have, especially because winter is coming and I am so generous that sadly many of you will not make it. So to take advantage of this priceless information and get your money up before it is too late is critical. And then when you want to invest in yourself, come join me by sending an application through stickmanstocks.com and align yourself with me before the worst of winter comes, which I cannot say on YouTube, since these events are things that only Blackrock and myself know and understand, and will get me hunted if I say it publicly on the internet. I will keep this video brief since I have other things to get to, but here's the priceless 100% accurate information in the stock market. In addition to Tesla that we named weeks ago and told you could be extrapolated market-wide, one of the names that you could have extrapolated Tesla to was Apple, which obviously along with Tesla also has huge implications for the QQQ index. Well, I will give you this 100% accurate information on Apple stock. Apple stock is topped around the time of Tesla video, and very interesting times are coming. 175 USD weeks ago with that Tesla video was the long-term top for Apple, and now it has dropped a bit, but much worse drop is coming. Sure, it can see a short-term bounce, that is not impossible, but the long-term top was at 175 USD, and it will not return to those prices. And if it does, it is a very good short opportunity once again, as nobody else in the world can predict with us. The long-term trend has shifted and now it is down, and institutional market makers will do what they do with Apple stock, despite the exuberant optimism at this time, as it has been rallying for many weeks. This is a 100% accurate call along with Tesla, which I am generous enough to give out for free, and obviously has huge implications for the index and market-wide that any trader can understand, and lucky enough to come across this information, they can at least avoid getting absolutely destroyed on the long side, as market makers do what they do. The same way we predicted countless other tops and sold 100%, with some of them going short, here we have yet another 100% accurate long-term trade that we are giving out for free, and priceless information for the index and the world that nobody else can predict to such accuracy for free on the internet. So even if you don't take this trade, just at least avoid losing all your money to market makers like many people who don't follow this channel already have, losing money buying at the top when market makers were dumping and going short along with this channel. Winter is coming and you guys have a problem if you don't get your money up in time and align yourself with me. Market makers do not have your best interest in mind, and hopefully the information in this video will at least get you some money to escape what is coming, even if I cannot take you. If you realize how rigged this game is and you find me a good mentor to learn from, you will likely be with me for a long time, because so far as I can see, there are no others in the world who do what I do for the world and are generous enough to give it out on the internet for people to learn from and understand and save themselves from what is coming before it is too late. To summarize, Apple stock has topped with 100% accurate chance at 175 weeks ago, and the worst of the crash is still yet to come, and this video is just making it clearer if you did not extrapolate Tesla stock view at that time to the index and other stocks including Microsoft and Apple. If you did not watch that previous video and would like to rewatch it, I would highly recommend you do so to get more insider information on what is coming. The video is in the box.